Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got another Koala credit from KiwiCo. This one is called the Neighborhood Fun. We have a whole year of subscription on the KiwiCo and this is month 10. Now we got this subscription on a hefty discount. I will show you after I am done unboxing. But if you have seen our previous episode on KiwiCo, then you can just skip forward using the timestamp underneath. Okay, let's open this. Alright, so you have the Discover magazine. This is always a good read for parents. So Neighborhood Fun, this is the instruction on how you're gonna play the game. This is the water plate mat. You have a basket here. Kaylin's Neighborhood Adventure. My kid really loved this Kaylin Adventure book. You got some kind of, I'm not quite sure if they are stickers, but yeah. You have slide, swing, seesaw. You have a brush. Oh, okay. I do not know why they need to seal this up. It looks like a board of some sort. And that's it. Okay, so here are everything that came in the box. Let me go read up the instruction and I'll play with my kid. Alright, so this video is not sponsored by KiwiCo, although it's not sponsored by them, but I do have a referral code for anyone who sign up for KiwiCo and get $10 off their first purchase. So this is one of the way that you can save more is use the referral code. I'll put the code down in the description below so you can go check it out. Now another way that you can save is by having an extension that install onto your browser. Now I have Rakuten, I have Honey, and I also have the American Advantage. Now, what I have found that all three of them has some sort of either discount or cashback. The one that gives you the most is Rakuten with a 7.5% cashback. Now for Rakuten, I'll also put the referral code down in the description. So if you use it, you will actually get a $30 cashback when you first sign up. Yeah, it's a great way to save more if you shop a lot online to use Rakuten. Now Honey on the other hand, it doesn't give all that much, it's 1% to 3%. So it's quite low compared to Rakuten. And the American Advantage, this one gives you airline miles. Now for this one, you get 7 miles per dollar that you spend. The cashback system is a little bit better than the getting miles, especially for those of you that doesn't fly. If you do fly, then maybe American Advantage is a better deal. All right, so let's talk about the gameplay. The first one is called the water painting. What you need to do is to take the water play mat and set it on a table where you can easily clean up because this is involving with water. And now what you need to do is basically let your kid take the brush and then dip it into the tray with water and start painting on top of the water play mat. Now this is pretty cool. On one side of the play mat, you have the Kaylin's whole neighborhood. And so yeah, your kid be able to actually see what's going on when the water touched the play mat and it turns color. And another cool thing about it is this play mat can be reused. So once you let it dry and the color will turn back to the original form, and then you can use the paintbrush with water and play with it again. So it has a long playability. Now that's one form of using this playmat. Another is actually utilize the book along with the playmat. So this month the story is about Kaylin and Peter trying to help out Ella with her illness. So they are going around the whole neighborhood looking for stuff for her. So while you are reading the book to your kid, you can actually talk about the event that's happening on the page. You can help your kid draw where Kaylin and Peter have been, and that can follow along with the storyline. So this way it's very engaging, not only reading the story to your kid, but your kid will see in real time what's happening along with the map. Now another way of playing with this is you can actually turn the map around, and on the back side it's just blank page. Basically, you can just have your kid use the paintbrush and start painting whatever he or she wants. Once the water is dried up, you can do it all over again. So I really enjoy playing with my kid with this water play mat. And it's very enjoyable, and also you get a lot of playing time out of it as well. Now the second gameplay is actually called the scavenger hunt. Now initially I wasn't sure what those sticker looking paper strips were, but apparently those paper strips are utilized with the seek and find board. So what you need to do is actually put one the paper strip inside the seek and find board, take your kid outside and start looking for the items on the paper strips. So once you find that particular item, you can slide the board over to cover it to indicate that you have found the item. So it's very engaging with a kid. Not only you get to play indoor, and you also have chance to go outside to explore as well. So anyway, this is the 10th month of this koala crate. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.